Warwick means dwellings by the weir. It is believed to have hosted a human settlement from the Neolithic period. Recent archaeological digs within the grounds of Warwick School discovered the footings of a sizeable Roman barn from the 2nd century AD. Warwick School claims to be the world's oldest boys' public school. William the Conqueror founded the now world famous Warwick Castle as a wooden fort in 1068. Building the castle involved pulling down 4 existing houses. It was rebuilt in stone during the 12th century. Medieval Warwick remained under the control of various Earls of Warwick, mostly of the Beauchamp family. At one point, it was a walled town. Today, the only remains of the town walls are the east and west gatehouses. The former now a holiday home, but previously part of the King's High School, a sister institution to Warwick School. It's hard not to travel through the centre parts of Warwick and feel privy to its colourful history. The town is awash with traditional buildings that all show a snapshot of a different part of its lineage. A fire ravaged the centre of the town in 1694, leading to a complete remodelling of the town centre. Warwick is an attractive place for people to live for several different reasons. For families, there is an incredible selection of schools, including Warwick Boys' School and King's High Girls' School. Warwick University is regarded as one of the best in the UK and attracts students from all over the world. Geographically, Warwick is in the middle of the UK. The M40, M42 and A46 are all within easy reach. There are 2 separate train stations, including Warwick and Warwick Parkway. London is just 1 hour 20 minutes away. For those whose work takes them overseas, Birmingham International Airport is just 16 miles from the town centre. The town centre is awash with a vibrant social scene. There are beautiful parks, shops, restaurants and even a racecourse. The neighbouring towns of Royal Leamington Spa and Shakespeare's Stratford-upon-Avon offer a further diverse selection for social opportunities. If you are looking for a home in Warwick, then the Marble House could be the property for you. Click the link below to see more details.